It is a well-known fact that COVID-19 is an infectious disease that affects the human race. Based on this, Kondunda says housing infrastructure projects rely on human resource. However, with the current pandemic, this vital resource has been highly affected, resulting in slowdown in the completion of projects.
Our biggest resource for executing infrastructure is human capital, and who are currently now attacked by this disease, and which is putting us all into bed and then breaking down the output for us to be able to execute projects to the required level. But in general, I would say we have done sufficient enough based on the resources that we had at our disposal, or that we know that we had at our disposal. But also we have not done enough in terms of the challenges and the enormous amount.
He also noted that the issue of housing is a pressing matter that needs to be addressed urgently, especially during these times of the COVID-19 pandemic.
We are currently busy with the Rent Control Board. I think it's the Rent Control Act that the Ministry of Industrialization is busy handing over to us. The team have not met yet, but I think once the team have met and crafted out the ways of how we're going to deal with that situation. But I think at the present moment, for people who are already in the houses, the defaults are enormous. But I don't think we have gone to that step of repossessing the houses or doing that, because we understand the situation we are in until we find the solution.
NHE, through the Ministry of Urban and Rural Development, received 1,711 social houses and 1,868 credit-linked houses. From these houses, over 2,000 have been handed over already.
The only ones that aren't occupied are the ones where we're busy concluding the transfer process to the owners. So it's quite a small percentage at the moment.
At the same occasion, the regional facilitator of the Shack Dweller Federation of Namibia, Inga Boy, encouraged low-income earners and those living in informal settlements to join the federation in order to increase their chances to acquire decent home structures in the future. Julina Fuka, NBC News, Windhoek.